Today I am taking you inside AWS Summit Mumbai 2026, one of the biggest tech conference in Asia happening right here at Mumbai. I will show you every keynote highlight, demo and evening conversation so you get maximum value even if you couldn't be here. Let's go. Alright, it's 7:30 am. Now I am going to take local train to reach Bandra. Then we'll go to Jio World Convention Centre. Guys, Mumbai locals are more than just trains. They are the heartbeat and lifeline of Mumbai. Alright guys, we have just arrived the Jio World Convention Center and now let's cross the road and head inside the exhibition center. As you can see here, some glimpse of the exhibition center, and you can enjoy it, and you can see registration is already underway and the energy here is absolutely incredible. There is a huge crowd of attendees waiting to collect their badges and the excitement is clearly building up. Quick tip for anyone planning to attend: if you are hoping to grab the AWS early bird swags, make sure you arrive at least 40 to 45 minutes before registration opens. The goodies are limited and they go fast. AWS Summit is Amazon Web Services flagship free conference that takes place in cities around the world. And why is this event such a big deal in 2026? Simple: Agentic AI. And friend, you can see here everyone enjoying some refreshment in breakfast area before this session begins. It is a great opportunity to network and connect with fellow tech enthusiasts. Another interesting thing here, you can see the display of products from Swadesh along with beautiful crafted idols and traditional Indian artwork. You can see the various monuments here. It gives a nice culture touch that adds a unique experience to the event atmosphere. And friend, you can see here, just look at this. Right here is the world's largest passenger elevator located inside the Jio World Convention Center. And now we are all heading inside to reach the main conference floor area. Honestly, this feels like an elevator, more like an entire room moving between the floors. Here is an interesting fact: this massive elevator can carry up to 100 plus people in a single trip. The elevator features panoramic glass walls, giving visitors a great view while moving through the buildings. You can see a beautiful image of Lord Ganesha welcoming everyone at the entrance. And just look at this crowd. Thousands of tech enthusiasts, developers, architects, startup founders, and industry leaders have gathered here from across the country. The excitement is on another level, with the people networking, discussing the latest innovations, and rushing into the attend their favorite sessions. Everywhere you look, there is an energy, curiosity, and conversation about cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and knowledge sharing, and the future of technology. You can really feel the buzz of AWS Summit. It is not just a conference, it is a place where the entire tech community comes together to learn, connect, and get inspired. As we continue exploring the venue, one of the first things that caught my attention was this amazing display with the message telling a story of scale with purpose. It perfectly reflects how technology today is not just about growth, it's about creating meaningful impact at massive scale. Right next to it was a really interesting AI experience zone. Visitors could step into a recording booth, record a sort of video of themselves, and then let AI work its magic. When you are walking around a massive event, you need some energy. That's why AWS had set up banana stations, large screens placed throughout the convention center. No matter where you could easily follow keynote sessions. And friend, there was the certification zone, which was one of the busiest areas at the event. This section was especially valuable for students, developers, and professionals looking.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patent it.
To grab some awesome AWS swag, including a water bottle, umbrella, mobile holder, diary, coffee mug, and few other goodies. If you enjoyed this vlog and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Info Roshan.